Assalamu alaikum. Dear learners, I hope you are fine and doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly set up Claude in Microsoft Office and use it to make Word documents, Excel sheets, and PowerPoints. So let's start. Over here, I have three documents. The Word and PowerPoint is currently empty, whereas I have a school book list in this Excel sheet. I'm going to prepare a document that I can share with the parents to notify them about from where they can get the books and how much it will cost. Furthermore, I'm going to prepare a PowerPoint presentation as well to show it during the school ceremony. So in this Excel sheet, I already have the book list. Let me open it. So I have this book list this is for year 2 and this one is for year 6. And there are some notes as well. First of all, let's go to Word document. And by clicking on this add-in, you can search for Claude. Now, if you add this Claude by Anthropic for Word, then only Claude will be accessible in Word, whereas we want it to be accessible in all Microsoft 360 applications. That's why I'm going to use this one. So click on Add. It will take a bit to get added. Okay, so once Claude loads, it will show up this login screen. You have to log in by clicking over here. Now, whichever Claude account you want to link with this installation, make sure that this code is written over there when you click on Continue in Browser. Or you can click on this sign in link by clicking over here and paste it in your browser, open the link. So I have it over here. I can click on Connect, then I'll authorize it, and that's it. I can close this browser. You can see that immediately it's signed in, and now I have this option over here. Furthermore, I want to fetch some information from Excel sheet, so let me open that as well. So over here, you can see that Claude is already there. Click on it, and it will open over here as well. We don't need to do anything over here. Now let's go back to Word and start giving it the prompt. So I've asked Claude to make me a document for the parents about the book list for the school. And I've specifically asked it to insert the table of book from the Excel sheet school book list because this is the Excel sheet school book list that is open. So let's see what it does. It is communicating with Excel. Okay, so it is saying that once Excel gives the book list data, it will start working. Over here in Excel, you can see that something is happening over here as well. Okay, so it is suggesting me to fix some cells over here, but I'll skip that and let's see what's happening in the Word. Okay, so Word is trying to insert something and it is asking for my permission. It is highly recommended to go with allow once because this way you can control what Claude is inserting in your documents. If you'll do this allow always, then it will automatically do everything, but you won't be able to see what's happening and you won't be able to track what Claude is doing. So I'll highly recommend you stay active and click on allow once. Okay, so some initial paragraphs have been inserted. Now it's again asking for allow once, so I'm going to go with that. I guess whenever it wants to do something new, it asks for permission. You can see that the document is being built. This grade 2 table is over here. It is adding the hyperlinks. You can see that the hyperlinks are being added over here. Okay, so now year 6 book list has also been added. And now it is adding hyperlinks on all the tabs. If you think you don't want to give permission every time, then you can go with allow always, but I won't recommend it. It is trying to change the font colors. Okay, now the tables look pretty neat. It is doing some formatting, so I'm allowing it. Okay, so now it wants to delete something to adjust some spacing issues. I guess I'll allow it. Okay, once again, it wants to do something. It wants to delete some paragraph. I guess there are some blank paragraphs inserted, and it is trying to make the space. Okay. Okay, so the document is complete and it has given me some notes as well. Okay. Now you can review it and you can change on your own if you think that there is something wrong. I guess the color scheme is not good, so let me ask it to change the color scheme and also add some decorations so the document looks a bit attractive. So I've asked it to change the color scheme and make the document more readable. and add few icons to decorate the document for the parents. Let's see what it does now. Once again, I'm going to allow whatever it's going to ask. Oh, it has added some icons as well. The icons are gone again. I don't know what it is doing. Okay, so it removed these icons over here, which it initially inserted. But anyhow, it's fine, I guess. Except there are some spaces between the icons and the text. So let me ask it to remove those. I've asked it to remove the extra spaces because it's giving grammatical error. Let's see what it does. Yes, it has removed the space. That's great. Okay, great. All the spaces are gone. Okay, that's it. So I guess it is a pretty neat document, and Claude automatically pulled the data from the Excel sheet and made this document. So let me save it just like this. And now let's make a PowerPoint presentation out of this document. I can open this new PowerPoint presentation and you can see Claude is already here. Okay, so I'm prompting Claude to make a presentation of 5 slides for the parents to brief them about the school books and from where they can get them. And I'm instructing it to use MS Word document open right now to get the details of the books. Let's see what happens over here. It is immediately checking the Word document. Okay, now this time let's go with always allow because it will be asking quite a lot of things. I haven't specified any theme or some other things. Let's just wait that what Claude brings up. And if we don't like it, we can change the format, we can change the colors, we can change other things as well. You can see that the slides are being built. The title slide looks nice. Okay, so here are all the bookstores from where the books can be bought. Okay, here's the list for the year 2 books. And this is for year 6. And this is the last slide, I guess, because I said that we should only go with 5 slides. So this is the 5th one. And there are some instructions. I guess this is pretty neat. It has immediately cooked up this presentation from the Word document automatically, and it is ready to be presented. The color schemes are nice, the formatting is nice. It is still doing something, it is verifying some things. Okay, so it has stopped now. So these slides are great. And dear learners, you can see that how quickly you can integrate Claude with your Microsoft Office 365 and use it to communicate between Word, PowerPoint, and Excel and pull out the things, pull out the data, and build up the documents and presentations in no time with minimum effort. So, dear learners, I hope you can now use Claude with all these softwares and you can build your documents and PowerPoints and even Excel sheets as you like, and you can make full use of these things. So till the next video, thank you and take care.